Hey there gamers, just as the title says, I will be showing you guys my top RGB light strips that I've used in previous gaming setups. I will also announce a giveaway winner and announce the new light goals and giveaways for this video. But first I want to give a quick shout out to u2key.com, and this is for those of you who are looking to upgrade to Windows 10 Pro at an extremely reduced price. Just head over to u2key.com, choose your product, Windows 10 Pro, and don't forget to include promo code NTR1 to get 38% off. Now, if you're looking to get Office 19 Pro Plus, you can save money as well. Just include promo code NTR1 to get a huge discount as well. Checkout is a piece of cake. Just choose your payment method and you'll receive your 0 keys instantly. It's just as simple as that, guys. Again, that's u2key.com. And at random, I chose a winner for a box of RGB lights on commonpicker.com. Congratulations, Spice Boy, you will be getting some RGB light strips in the mail very soon. As far as the giveaways for this video, listen up to these light goals. If this video gets 1,000 likes, I will give away a box of snacks. If this video gets 5,000 likes, the winner will get a hoverboard, and to participate, all you have to do is like this video and leave a cool comment below telling me which is your favorite color and why. Best of luck, pranksters. Now let's get this video going. My ranking will begin in just a bit, but I wanted to show you guys something very cool. And yes, this will be another giveaway that I'll be holding in my next video. Recently, I received this brown box, and inside there is a ring light kit from the brand Toner. So let's open it up. And inside, the first thing that we spot is another smaller box. It's not labeled or anything, but it's easy to assume that it contains a tripod. And sure enough, there inside is a small tripod. Or at least I thought it was small. Once I fully extended its legs and neck, it was 5 feet in length. This is great because this does not limit you in height. Also inside, there's the instructions manual which can guide you just in case you have questions, but setting up this ring light is pretty easy. Here I just pop out the main ring light. The cable attached to it also powers it through USB, and attached to it there's a small control box which also allows you to change the lighting moods and brightness. Of course, there's also a phone holder mount for those of you who vlog using your phones. And lastly, you also get a Bluetooth remote which you can sync up your phone to it for your convenience. Like I mentioned, setting up is very easy to do. Once the tripod is in place, we screw the ring light on top of it just like this. The phone holder mount will get screwed onto the ring light. Now it's ready to go. Changing the light moods from cold to warm will be a piece of cake using the control box attached to the cable. Also, dimming the lights can be done quite fast. Here's a basic setup. I just placed my iPhone on the mount, and as you can see, a Zoom call will be better lit if I'm using my computer camera, or if I'm recording with my phone, I get better 360 lighting. In the description below there will be a link for those of you who want to get one of these ring light kits. Alright, now let's move on to my top 5 RGB light strips. At number 5, here we have the Pengton Villa RGB strips. These are some of the cheapest lights that you'll find online. This particular one is a 16-foot roll, and yes, these were the first RGB lights I ever used, and they were also part of my dream gaming setup. I lined these up under my desk right along the acoustic foam that I hung up on the walls. So basically I wouldn't be having this video if it weren't for these, because I got introduced to RGB lights thanks to this RGB light kit. Moving on to number 4, these are the HRDJ 4PC LED light strips, and they typically go for $30 to $35 on Amazon. I like the convenience of having these 65-foot strips divided into 4 rolls. I use these to go along my dream gaming room, and just as you see right here, these easily stick on the walls with the adhesive in the back. I could easily turn them on using the remote control that came with this light kit. Now number 3 was more decorative. These Govi Wi-Fi Dreamcolor LED light strips help me decorate my setup to make it look more Halloweeny. These are more high-tech than the previous 2. They are waterproof and they have a more solid build. Basically, I use these to wrap around my Halloween tapestry right on my makeshift foam frame. These lights I could either control with the remote control that came included in the light kit or with my phone using the Govi app. And that's not all, guys. These $50 RGB light strips can also be controlled with Alexa or Google. The X amount of modes that these lights have will make it hard for you to decide what to choose. Barely edging out these lights at number 2 are the Novastella Music RGB IC light strips. These two come with all the basics needed to function, and unlike the other light strips, these come in black. And I did wrap them around a desk, which as you see right here, they dramatically gave my PlayStation 4 gaming setup a much better look and stood out a lot. These pretty much offer the same features that the Govi lights do, but at a cheaper price, $30, which is really good actually. You really can't go wrong with either number 3 or number 2, but as I stated, this was a close call. And finally we have number 1. The lights that have impressed me the most. These are the Govi Wi-Fi TV LED backlights with camera. Yeah guys, these are some epic lights and are worth having in any game room, but ideally these are best for a large TV, so I would recommend these to go in a movie room. The ideal TV sizes for these are 55 to 65 inches. You basically stick these behind the TV just like you would do any other light strips, but what sets these apart from the rest is the fact that there is a camera included that is mounted onto the top or the bottom of the TV, but it has to go in the center. These help control the lights for you, and the lights adapt to the color of the lighting coming from the screen, and that doesn't mean you can't control them, because you can, either with your phone through Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, but also smart assistants such as Google and Alexa do the job too. Oh yeah, and also these go off the beat of audio, so you can play your music and these will sync up to the rhythm of your favorite tunes. For $80, I think these were a great investment. Now pranksters, don't forget that I do have links to all these lights in the description just in case you want to get your own, because now you're probably tempted to do so. I hope that you enjoyed it and that it helps you in any way when deciding which lights to buy. Before I end this video, I'd like to remind you guys about the movie that I'll be starring in, Prankster. If you guys want to show your support, also listed in the description is the Indiegogo campaign link for the film. Thanks for stopping by pranksters, I'll see you guys in my next video.